to get more views on YouTube for beginners. Let's dive right into it, guys. First of all, figure out what people are typing in. How to get over a breakup. How to get over when you still love them, or someone you never dated, or just very social anxiety, whatever. What's your boat? That's what you're gonna title the video. Know exactly what people are typing in, okay? So figure out what people are typing in, make a specific video around it, okay? Which means make it to where you have the keyword in there, sprinkled in there in the description, okay? So if it's how to get over a breakup, someone that you never were with, then put that in the description of the video, okay? In the first part of it, in the middle, in the bottom. The file name is the exact title of the video. But the main tip is just be specific with what you're doing, okay? So if you're trying to rank for how to get over a breakup, be specific on what you're trying to title the video, and then you'll rank for that, and you'll get a little bit of views for that, and then all of a sudden you'll get views for a more broad topic, and then build up that credibility with your channel first to go specific, and then you can go more broad. As you get better and bigger, you can capture more broad audience. So thank you so much. God bless. Have a great day.